Hi, I'm John Mayfield, the real estate tech guy for Global Real Estate School, and another 5-minute real estate exam prep tip. Welcome to the broadcast. My name is John Mayfield, the real estate tech guy, and we are going to get into a capitalization problem and a similar problem that you may see on the real estate exam. Before we get into that, I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure and hit the subscribe button, and you can also hit that little bell next to it, and you can find out or be alerted when we come live with new videos as well. So we'd love to have you subscribe, but let's get into our math problem today. And this is, again, a capitalization problem. We're using our T formula, and remember the T formula looks like this. We label our math, what we do with our math. There are 3 variables. There's a top and there are 2 bottoms. Now the T problem we normally think of as part, total, and this is percent or rate. Now, for cap problems, what I call cap problems or income producing problems, I like to refer to this as Uncle Irv. So I put income on top. This is value. And of course, this is the rate, again here. One unique thing about all of these is that the top is always a smaller number. You can see here, part or income, and the total or value will always be the bigger number. So in this problem, they want to know what the cap rate is. So if we drew this out over here, we could easily say we know that we're solving for rate. And that's the other thing I wanted to tell you. You will always have 2 variables given to you. You have to solve for the 3rd variable. So in this case, we're solving for the rate, correct? Do we know the income of the property? Well, we do, but there's a catch here. It's per month. And one thing you need to understand is you always have to convert to annual numbers for income producing properties. So we just need to take this 1,500 and multiply it times 12, which is $18,000. Now we know the annual income. It's $18,000. Do we know the value of the property? Sure we do, right here. It is $120,000. Now remember, I said you're always going to be given what? 2 variables. We have the top one and we have one on the bottom. When we have this scenario, our math sign tells us to divide. If we were to have both bottom ones, we would multiply, but in this case, we divide. We'll always put this top number in your calculator first. So that's 18,000. And I'm going to press the divide button and then put in 120,000 and hit equal, and I get 0.15, or when I move that over 2 places, I get 15%. So 2 quick things to remind you of. Number 1, convert to annual numbers. Secondly, remember Uncle Irv, income on top, value and rate on the bottom. But you've got to convert everything to annual numbers. And the test writers love to give you monthly, quarterly, semi-annually. Just put everything in annual numbers, then plug it into the problem and you'll be good to go. Hey, thanks for watching this 5-minute real estate exam tip from Global Real Estate School. Like us on Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to this channel, and go over to Global Real Estate School. We've got some great study aids, digital flashcards, we've got practice exams, and so much more. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching the video.